Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing treatment that helps to treat yeast infection, and this actually helps so much because it is way natural and it is also very effective. Okay, so let's go give this a try. Follow me, let me show you all of the ingredients, amazing ingredients that you're going to be using, to treat this, and this is going to be so superb. All right, so let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. There are many ways in which you can prevent your itchiness. This is one of the ways. This is called moringa. This is moringa leaf. Okay, and if you're in Africa, it's actually not difficult to find moringa leaf, but except you're outside the country, that's when you can get dry moringa. But even if you get the dry moringa, it's actually still perfect for this. Okay, so you can just do it the same way I'm gonna be doing it, and stop that itchiness, stop that infection going on in your private area. Okay, so let's go. So what I need is a pot, because you need to cook this. Okay, so I'm gonna be needing a clean pot, and then I'm going to be peeling off all of the moringa. I'm basically not going to be using the stem, but of course the stem is still good. It's still very good. You can use the stem if you want. Alright, so to do this you would have to at least wash it. So okay, so now we're gonna wash it. And then we're going to be needing water to cook this. Enough water, guys. Okay, so we're going to cook it. And you're going to be needing a salt. This is a kitchen salt, guys. It's not any special salt. So for you to do this, you need to put a reasonable quantity of salt for this. Yeah. Okay, so now you allow it boil. I'm gonna be showing you the step 2 while we allow this boil. So you cover it and let it boil. Okay, so the second step is this, and this is garlic. Now watch till the end, guys, because the way you're going to be preparing this is totally different. Yeah, so you're going to be getting some garlic, and then you're going to try to peel it all off. So the easiest way to peel garlic is just what you see me do. You heat it and then you peel it. That's actually very simple to do. Okay, so after which you have peeled this, so what you do now is that you would have to be cutting it, slicing it. Now you make it really tiny so that all of the ingredients will come out. Okay, so you're gonna be needing to get a little container like this, and then you put the garlic in it. Some girls, I've seen a girl that actually, use the whole garlic and then put it inside a VJ, but that's not what I recommend. Don't put it inside. So what you need is coconut oil. Okay, you need a few quantity of coconut oil for this, and with coconut oil this is going to be really mild. So you pour in your coconut oil into this, and then this is it. Okay, so what you do with this is that you're going to keep it for like 2 days. Let it induce into the oil. Okay, when it has finished inducing into the oil, then I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, let's go and check the moringa. So the moringa has been boiling. We can see I just off the fire, and now I'll have to turn it into a bowl. Okay, so now you have to turn it into a bowl. Let me show you what you're going to do. Yeah, so, and for this particular one I'm going to be telling you what you're going to do with it. Okay, so what you do is that you keep it on the floor. As the flame is coming out, you will sit over it. Yeah, you just sit over this, and then you sit there for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Just sit over it, let the flame just go into your body, just like this. Yeah, and then you stand up. Okay, now for this remedy you would have to continue using it for some days. Okay, and for this particular one, when you're done using this, then you can take this oil, just the oil, and then you apply it over your private area, not inside. Guys, don't apply it inside. You just apply it on top, just like that, to create a glow. Apply it on your thigh. Okay, it's going to help to reduce the darkness around there, and basically that's just it. It's gonna help so much to kill all of those yeast infection. Keep this and apply it every freaking day, and use this every day as much as this particular one every day as much as you can, till the yeast infection goes, till the itchiness goes, and this is it. Yeah, use this and you're good, and use this too and you're good. Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a try, and all of your yeast infection, itchiness, and any smelling stuff around there would be gone, and you are gonna be loving your result. All right, so I'll see you again in my next video, but do not forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share, and I will see you again in my next video, guys. Bye.